Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. What a past couple days. It's like 30 degrees out today. It is flurrying this morning. I had a bunch of plants I had to cover with fleece because I took the hoops off because Saturday it was 83 degrees. What are you going to do? Western Pennsylvania, maybe that groundhog was right. All right, well, hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be tucking into another blend in the Custom Boutique Blend Series. Yes, I had to bring back the tucking in because I like that word and I think it sounds pretty good. So today we're going to be tucking into a blend from King Smoking Pipes and Cigars. And they are in Forest Lake, Minnesota. And I found these guys just doing a internet search. Read through. They're part of a larger subsidiary now from a bigger company that bought them. But this is the original blends from the original smoke shop, and they're still in Minnesota. I did my 4 blends from these guys, and today we are smoking the Balkan Romani. So King Smoking Pipes Balkan Romani speaks to the heritage of Balkans, a truly luxurious blend of the highest grade Virginias, Turkish and Oriental tobaccos with a generous amount of fine Latakia. Okay, got my book. I'll tell you guys, I have been so busy. If you've seen the mess that was behind you from pricking out tomato plants yesterday, I think I pricked out into cells. It had to be over 100 tomato plants. That's just a side note. I know this is a pipe video, but go watch my garden videos because the gardener's going to be, yes, this year. I got potatoes popping up already. I have lettuce and cabbage doing great. But I digress. Okay. Oh, sometimes I forget, but today I am smoking out of my Ohio Briar Poker. Oh, look at that big guy. And soon enough, coming up here, we're going to be back in Ohio on our first RV trip of the season. I'll make some videos and put one out about that. But it's going to be fun. All right, King Smoking Pipes and Cigars Balkan Romani. Like I said, Balkan Romani, it's listed as a Balkan. The tin note I got, slightly sweet, light smoke, sour, a funky wet wood smell to it. I sat here for 10 minutes sniffing on that jar and I was getting that. The cut was ribbon, and the colors were your browns and some blacks mixed in there. All right, my take on it. I said it had a light smoky flavor. Smooth, not an in-your-face blend. I said it had a subtle sourness, and I'm going off of, since Orientals are listed in there, that's where we're getting the sourness from. I said, you definitely know it's a Balkan. I said it was very good with my coffee. It was cool burning, said, but nothing was really jumping out in front. I said the Virginias seemed to be mixed in well. A slight bite, but that could be me. We'll touch on that in a second. I said I want to have this with some whiskey. I said it's getting better and bolder past the halfway point. It definitely had a flavor shift around the halfway point on this blend. I smoked another day out of my Meerschaum. I said, this is not my favorite. And by the time I smoked it out of my Meerschaum, I've already smoked it out of several briars. I said, it seems to gather more flavor and depth as the bowl goes down. I said, but I'm getting some bite as I smoke. I would say this blend is all around average. I said, but that's just me. And remember, these are just my takes. This is just my take on this one blend. It could be your favorite. I said, there's nothing bad or off-putting. I said, but as sometimes happens, a blend will turn a corner and become my favorite, so more bowls are needed. Which is why I don't believe in people popping a tin, packing a bowl up, and 6 puffs later saying, this is the best I've ever smoked, or this is awful. it takes me a while, and I usually smoke on these. I've been smoking on this one close to a month. Another day I was smoking it out of my Boswell's, a large billiard. I said the top of the bowl was better in this pipe. I said for some reason this blend is giving me some bite. I said it has a decent enough flavor. I said it's pretty mellow for a Balkan. I said I was getting some sourness, but just slightly. So a few things to talk about. One, I almost wish there were more sourness to it. I've come to appreciate the sourness from other blends. I've been smoking, and a lot of the Orientals, and when you really start getting into that sourness, it's very pleasant. And I know that sounds weird if you are a newer pipe smoker and you're like, is this guy, what's he talking about, smoking vinegar? No, but vinegar is a component on, some things, so I've heard. The bite of this blend, it's not really while you're smoking it. I mean, I get a little tongue bite, a little heat on my tongue with pretty much mostly everything I smoke, and I just think that's the way it is. But this blend, for some reason, an hour, 2 hours, the next day, especially if I've smoked a few bowls, there were a couple Saturdays back where I smoked 3 or 4 bowls of this out of 3 or 4 different pipes. It was one of them days I wasn't really doing much but messing around in the shop. The next day, my tongue was like, it was not in a good place, put it that way. I don't know if it's the Virginias. Maybe it has a very high Virginia content. I'm not really picking a lot of sweetness out, but the Virginias are the thing that really tend to bite me a lot. That's why I'm not the biggest vapor fan. I like vapors. I do. I don't smoke them as much as I smoke English blends and Balkan blends. But as a Balkan, I was looking for more depth to it. It's definitely a good blend. Top quality blending, top quality tobaccos. I will definitely say that. This isn't an OTC throwaway pouch blend. It's definitely a good blend. Excuse me. But there's just something about this blend that is not, it's not hitting it for me. I would definitely recommend it, people out there, if you like Balkans, if you like this style tobacco, please go look at King Smoking Pipes and Cigars. And I will leave a link for their description, all their information in the bucket below. For their description, I'll leave all their information below in the bucket. Like I said, I did get 4 blends from them, so this is just the first blend I'm really dipping my toe in. It's top quality. The shipping was good. The price was fair. But the blend just doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't hit it for me. I can think of some other Balkan mixtures that I would definitely go to and pick over this blend. Now, I will let this sit around on my shelf for a while, 6 months. Maybe after 6 months, those Virginias that are in there that I think are what's heating up my tongue, maybe they'll mellow out a little bit. Maybe my chemical makeup, my pH will change a little bit. I hear a lot of people say that. That's possible. But all in all, I'm going to go with a 2 for this blend. 2.5. I'm not really going for a 3 because I don't see me really ever chasing this blend down. The 2.5 is because it is a top quality blend. It's definitely smokable. I have enjoyed, out of my 2 ounces, probably a little over half. It's just not for me. It just doesn't tick my boxes, so to speak. So like I said, giving it a 2 to a 2.5. If you're into Balkans, definitely give these guys a look. Look up King Smoking Pipes and Cigars, and they have tons of other blends too. They have some Frog Morton clones. Yeah, I got 2 of those blends coming up, and I'm pretty excited about them, but I'm going to do them in a little while. But I'm going to enjoy my cup of coffee. I'm going to enjoy this blend out of this beautiful Ohio briar pipe, and I'm going to sulk a little bit that it's 30 degrees outside, not 80. Well, hey, from the bench, this is Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.